Salamat talaga sa 15 subscribers ko. Tsaka sa salubong nung God of War, grabe. Halos nasa 200 views ata yun. So kung titignan ko sa aking YouTube channel, so na-appreciate ko pa yun kahit 15 yung aking Sana mas dumami pa. So ito yung upload ko, Rob the Bank Kobe. So ayan, ang daming views na ito. 200 ito yung part 1. So ito part 2. Ayan o, 261. So kahit naglalag pa yan guys, maraming salamat sa inyo. So ito yung cloud gaming na gamit ko. Wait lang, nakongolekta kasi ako ng diamonds by watching ads.
Throughout the modern world, evidence of Earth's rich past exists in historical constructions that tell stories of human achievement.
So mo yung mga ganyan.
You come here and tell me you're into AI and still using ChatGPT.
So ang daming AI na advertise, nakakainis.
There's a better app.
Ang dami yan eh.
Is it cheaper?
So kung mahilig kayo dyan, pwede rin naman kayo.
It has other chatbots inside like Google Gemini and Metalama.
You telling me that it combines all the chat?
So yan guys, so kung makakuha tayo ng diamonds by watching ads. So look at my gem, yung may coins guys, sa cloud gaming na to. Ayan o, meron ako 67 coins, ayan o.
67.
Oh. So 67 coins meron ako. So pag nakaabot tayo ng 80 or 70 coins, or kahit maka 90 tayo, maglalaro ko ng God of War 4. Kung makaabot ako dun. Pero kung gusto nyo to, VIP, pwede rin. Kung may mga Gcash kayo or mayaman kayo, pwede rin. So thank you talaga guys sa 15 subscribers, sa paabot ng ng viewers ng God of War 4. So para maniwala kayo, pupunta ako sa Play Store na ang cloud gaming is hindi scam. So titignan natin Wait lang, nasa Gangster Vegas pala. So wait lang, So wait lang guys, may lumabas to.
Another app is now using the microphone. There may be no sound in this recording. Continue.
Okay guys, so ganun na nga. So mawawalan daw tayo ng So wait lang. So ayan, na hindi scam ang cloud gaming. So itong Cheeky, meron lang naman siyang 10 million plus downloads. At may kita mo talaga sa mga comments niya is puro tas yung rating, babasa natin
3.3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3.3.
So kahit na 3.3 yung
3.3.
yung niya, ratings niya, tapos yung
Ratings and reviews. Ratings and reviews are verified and are from people who use the same type of device that you.
So yun guys, so napaka-legit talaga ng cloud gaming. So kahit na ganyan yan, legit na legit yan, no? So thank you talaga sa 15 subscribers. So yun lang, bye bye.